Okay, so hello everyone. This is part 26 of our JavaScript playlist. Okay, so in this video, we will discuss about everything about functions. Whatever functions are there in JavaScript, we will discuss all the functions from zero to advanced. Okay, so far I've created like so many videos on JavaScript. If you didn't access the JavaScript playlist, so you can access, okay, and you can watch the remaining videos. But from this video onwards, we are going to discuss about function. So what types of function we will discuss, what we will discuss in function exactly. So let me tell you. Okay, so what is a table of content? Let me show you the table of content. Table of content. Okay, so what we are going to discuss throughout this JavaScript. So first we will discuss. Okay, just wait. Okay, so we will discuss first introduction to function. Okay, first we will see introduction to functions. Then we will see function declaration. Right. After that, we will see function expression. Okay, once we complete function expression, then we will move to the arrow function. What are the arrow functions? How we can write arrow functions, right? And then we will learn IIFE functions. Okay, so what is the mean of this? So this is known as immediately invoked function expression. Right, we will discuss about this also in detail, like what is the mean of immediately invoked function expression. Okay, we will see. And then we will see first class functions. Okay, so what are the first class function? We will discuss about this. Okay, then we will see higher order functions. Okay, what is the mean of higher order function? And then we will see what is the function closure. Okay, what is the closure in function? And we will see callback. What is the mean of callback? Right. After callbacks, we will see recursion. Okay, what is a recursion in function? We will discuss about this as well. And we will discuss pure function and side effects. Right, pure function and side effects. And after that, we will discuss currying function. Okay, and then we will discuss about memoization. Right. Okay, so we will discuss about this as well. And then after that, we will discuss about asynchronous function, right? Which is known as like async await. Okay. And then we are going to discuss about, like, once we discuss all the concept, all these like topics in the function, then we will do practical examples. Okay, so this much we are going to do from this video onwards. Okay, so this is the table of content, and stay tuned everyone. We will discuss each and everything about the function in detail, so beginners can also understand, and those who already know about the function, they can also understand through this video. They can level up their skills. Okay, so thank you everyone. From next video onwards, we will discuss about the function. All right, thank you everyone.